me here. Alright. Let me sit down here. Right here. Right. Right. There's all my boys. I got two more boys over there. They're in the back. The two brothers. You better get up here. Come here. Boys, you stay by me, boys. Karu, come here. This is Karu. These are his boys, Zeus and Titan. Ria, or Ela. Ela. I'll take them up here in the snow. What's your dad doing, you guys? What's your dad doing? Huh? What's he doing? What's he doing, boys? You guys are good. You guys are good. You guys are good. Jesus, you guys are good. You guys are good, boy. You guys are good. Take it easy, girl. Take it easy. Let's go over here, you guys. Come with me. Let's see if we can get. Oh, he's gonna run down there. Okay, we can go down there. Hang on ya. Hang on, boys. We'll set this up. Maybe your dad will come smoking back here. Come, boys. We better go up here, boys. Come up here. Come by me. Titan, come here, boy. Titan, come. Good. Good, boys. Jump right up here. Good. Good. Come on, Karu. Come here. Karu. Where's your dad, boys? Come on, Karu. Awesome. Karu, come here. Ella's still in heat, so he may not come, but I think he will. Come on, Karu. Karu. Where's your dad, you guys? Come on, Karu. Yeah, so this is one snowfall. This is just one. Come on, Karu. Come on, Karu. Karu, I gotta show you off. Come here. Come on, Karu. Come on. Where'd my boys go? Hey, boys, come by me. Got nobody. What are you boys doing? Come on, Karu. Get up here. He won't leave Ella. Well, that's the end of that video, I think. Snow day. I'd like to get him back up here one more time. Come on, Karu. Get up here. I'll see if I can. Karu. Come here. Come on. Get up here. That's my boy. That's my boy. That's my wonderful boy. Jesus. Amazing dog, this guy. Absolutely amazing. This is Karu from Finland. Bred from champions. He's such a good boy. Oh, you're a good boy. That's your dad, you guys. No wonder you guys are good. No wonder you guys are good. Look at this. Look at this with you. The apple don't fall far from the tree. You guys are good, boy. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, pretty amazing. Hey boys. This old daddy he's a pretty cool dude. Karu, you better stay right here till I get this video done. Come on, boys. Come on, get up my pops here. Jesus. What a set of dogs. Holy cow. Hang on, you guys. Hang on. Hang on. You can go. That's his daughter, Karia, down in that pen. And that's Silver Nessa, the beautiful Silver Nessa. And Ella, beauty queen Ella. That's the big boy Apostle, right there. And I get a bunch more out by the looks of it. Titan, Zeus, Karu, come by me. Come on, Titan. Come on, boy. Zeus, come. Come, boys. Come on. Good boys. Good boys. Good boys. Good. Good. Jeez, you guys are good. Wow. You guys are good. Holy cow. Oh, you guys are good. Okay. Come on. Titan, get up here. This could be Titan. That might be Zeus. Good. That's my boy. Good. Good. How's my big fella? How's my big boy? Good. Good. Come on, Titan. Get up here. Come on, that's it. Come, boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Come by me. Yes. Good. 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 Good, you guys. These you guys are good. Holy cow. You guys are good. You guys are good, boy. Good boy. That's my boy. Oh, that's my good boy. Yes, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy. Good. You guys are good. You're just like your dad. You're just like your dad. Good. Good, you guys. Good. 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 What a rock star. Huh? What a good boy. That's a good boy. Good. 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 What have you been doing anyway? What have you been doing? Good boy. That's a good boy. You can go. You want to go? You can go. Good. Come right here. Good. Where's our camera? That's right there. Good. 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 Titan. Zeus. You boys better come by me. Titan. Zeus. Come. Good video, crew. Good boy. Good. Good. Good job, Karu. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good. 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 You're such a good boy. Hang on, Pastor, I'll get you out. That's a good video. Hang on, buddy.